Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a blocks car. First, let's gather our essential materials. You will need a good assortment of building blocks, 4 wheels, and 2 axles. Make sure your chosen blocks are compatible and can connect securely to form a stable base. Selecting wheels that are appropriately sized for your car's scale will ensure a balanced and functional design. This initial step is crucial for a successful build. Now, let's move on to constructing the main body, or chassis, of your blocks car. Start by building a sturdy, flat base using some of your larger blocks. This will be the foundation. Next, carefully attach the 2 axles to the underside of this base. It's important to ensure they are perfectly parallel to each other. Remember to leave sufficient space between the axles so your 4 wheels can spin without any obstruction. With your chassis complete, it's time to add the wheels. Securely attach 1 wheel to each end of your 2 axles. Once all 4 wheels are in place, give them a gentle spin to confirm they rotate smoothly and freely without any rubbing. Now comes the fun part, personalizing your blocks car. You can add decorative blocks, create a driver's cabin, or even design a spoiler. Let your creativity shine. Congratulations, your blocks car is built. The final step is to give it a test drive. Gently push your car on a smooth, flat surface and observe its movement. Check if all 4 wheels turn evenly and if the car rolls in a relatively straight line. If it veers, you might need to adjust an axle or a block connection. A few minor tweaks can significantly improve its performance. Now, go enjoy playing with your awesome new creation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.